Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I am Niley.
And so for today's vlog, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction for the press presentation performance ng isa sa delegates for Miss World Philippines 2024. This time ay papanoorin natin ang naging performance ni Miss Tarlac Province. That's Jasmine Omay. And without any further ado, let's watch this.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. I'm Jasmine Omay from the melting pot of Central Luzon, Tarlac Province.
Wow!
Grabe, sa tagal na ni Jasmine sa pageantry, like, parang
alam niyo na kung paano niya gagawin.
nagtatransform talaga sa each year. Wow.
Representing Tarlac Province, we have Jasmine Omay.
Oh my!
You're a very well-accomplished beauty queen. You're a pilot on top of the many things that you've been doing. I wonder, how do you drive your beauty to find its purpose?
Well, you know what? I've been asking the same question over and over again. I always see myself as someone who interprets purpose as something bigger than I am. And for some years, in the past years, I've been wanting to find that one thing that lacks in me. And I know that it is by helping, by showing kindness. And I know that it might be very shallow, you know, like opening the doors for the elderly, helping someone who is in need, buying some taho to a taho vendor, you know. And for me, it's a huge gesture. With those daily encounters, I was able to realize that my purpose should be bigger. And I know that the Miss World Philippines organization would be the right platform, of course, for winning the crown. It would come there. And I know that by fulfilling this dream of mine to help other people, I can also fulfill my dream, which is to win the crown. Thank you.
Ganda. Like, plus points talaga sa kanya yung confidence niya. If you are confident kasi na parang hindi ka nagbabakil or hindi ka nagsastutter, maniniwala yung tao sa'yo. Like, paniniwalaan kung ano yung mga sinasabi mo, pinagsasabi mo in front of them. So, yun yung meron siya ngayon. Ang galing niya lang ngayon magsalita, sakto, bilis, yung sakto mga poses siguro. Yung iba kasi parang masyadong magalaw, di ba? Kapag kabaguhan or I don't know, kahit na yung matagal na, pero yung magalaw kapag ka nagsasalita. Pero siya, na ano niya, na-contain niya doon sa kamay lang, yung doon lang. Tapos naka-steady lang na ganyan. Maganda yung mga pinagsasabi niya, simple lang, pero may impact. Kumbaga, yun yung mas maigi na yung advocacy mo or yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay or gusto mong pagbabago sa community mo is maliliit lang, simple lang. At least, pwede mo siyang i-fulfill within a day or within a week or within a month. Kumbaga, there's a possibility na magagawa mo siya. Kasi naman yung, gusto ko yung lahat ng tao maging caring sa mga matatanda, which is dapat in the first place, ganun na tayo. Pero mahirap kasi kapag ipilit mo sa iba na overnight, hindi naman talaga nila kayang gawin. So,
Tama lahat ng sinabi mo. Wala na akong masasabi. Well spoken ka. Deja po. Napaka niya, yun nga, yung term dyan is yung polish niya, ang epekto niya is napaka-inspiring siya.
Saan yung polish niya? Sa shoe or sa nail?
Sa buhok. Yan yung tipong she's a queen na kapag nagsalita siya, pakikinggan mo talaga siya and you would believe kung ano yung sinasabi niya. Yun naman yung importante. And I think yun yung pinaka-skill or quality na hinahanap ng isang beauty queen talaga.
So yun guys, and thank you so much sa sinamahan nyo na kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!